What's good, everybody, man? We back with another video. I've joined another rec league. Shout out to my boy Zeke and everyone else on the team. I appreciate y'all, in advance for letting me play with y'all this season. It really means a lot, and I appreciate every opportunity to play basketball in any capacity. We on the way to the first game, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it goes great. And y'all know my philosophy. I just, pray for a solid game, a good game, and that we get the win. And just that, I can do whatever I can do and need to do, to help the team win. So whether I'm playing the 1 or the 2 today, just to be able to control the offense, hit shots, hit people when they're open, find the hot hand, whether it be myself or whoever else is going, and just, be a good, solid guard. I play defense, force stops, force turnovers, and just be solid. It's my goal. Just a little intro, you know what I'm saying? So I'm on my way to the gym. I won't keep this going too long, but yeah, I just appreciate everyone, for watching in advance. And I hope y'all enjoy the game. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Yo, quick question. How was that on the floor? Like, honestly, I think I asked the ref, I'm saying, how is that? He's like, he got you before you went up. Ball's literally up in the air. Another one on the floor, bro. This time I lined up because I'm like, surely that's, going up for a layup. But no, it's all right. We're going to get down to the bottom of this. horrible, bro. Come on. Unfortunately, that'll be the last clip that I have to show. Yeah, so that last play, as you can see, put us up 4. And then we just had the momentum going into the end of the game, and I think the other team got gassed out. We ended up going on to win this game, I think 56-52. But I ran out of storage on my phone trying to be overzealous and record the game in 4K, 60 frames, and I didn't even use that much slow-mo. So next game, I'll just be in regular HD probably. Maybe 60 frames, but maybe 30, just so I can record the whole game. The end of this game was actually kind of wild. It was dope. We made some good plays. I think personally I hit another 3, and then I got an and 1, like on the left side. It was super tough. It would have been so cold on film. But, yeah, we just, rallied. It was a tough game. It was like tied towards the end, and then we went on and won. I hit like 2 free throws to ice the game. Got none of it on film, so that hurt. But yeah, we went on to win, so great team win. I appreciate all the guys, for trusting me. And, I'm happy we got our first win. So that's all for the first game. Next game, I'm going to get the full game. And I'm just, hoping for another good game. My first time playing with these guys, but yeah, I just hope it all goes well. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.